Hello everyone, we'll look at using the same Pascal as yesterday, but what we're going to look at is building your program from the command line. So what do we need to do that? Well, first of all you need to go to the command line. The second thing is to make sure that you have the Lazarus folder in your path, and because in that folder you will have the lazbuild program, and the lazbuild program is a command line utility which will allow you to compile Lazarus projects and packages. And there's a lot of information on the lazbuild page under the freepascal.org site. To give you an idea of some of the parameters you can use, if you're ever stuck, minus help. You can also do a build all or -b. It can go recursively. You can also get version information, make it run quietly. You can also, there is also a verbose option. The verbose option probably outputs a little too much information for my liking, but sometimes you may want to get more information. So like I said, if you want to look at some of the other parameters, come to the lazbuild page, and now we will basically just show you how to use it with a couple of very quick examples. So once you've got Lazarus in your path, you can then say we want to find out what version we're running. So it'll be lazbuild, -- version, and it will tell me, RC 4. RC1 version 4. The next one we're going to look at is the build all, and I'm just going to take out the build all just so I can see what the difference might be. So all we're doing is using lazbuild on the project that was open in the IDE. Now basically it's linking, or it's already linking, so we're not going to 8.2 seconds, which is okay for my crappy machine that I am running in. But basically you can see in here, it shows you what the working directory is. It shows that it couldn't find FPC in the path. It shows what my paths are and what my command line options are before going into the compiling and linking. Now compare this with the a build all being used, and you can see here it takes a little bit longer. It took shorter, but it tells you that there's one warning, 7 hints, and basically the hints were that I wasn't using a sender, but that's okay. So if you are using if you are building, let's say, a project, or sorry, I should say an application that has multiple executables, then this can be a useful tool to create and install, well, to at least compile the programs before creating an install package of some description to send to your customers. So lazbuild, if you don't like, if you don't want to use the build from the build tools within the IDE, then jump to your command line and do it that way. And especially helpful if you are doing a build of an application from a software repository. So that's about it for this video, and I will see you next time, and happy coding. Bye.